When we see you, want to give you a smooth touch. Nah, tell a lie, you make me heart just a rush. Me want to sink your gas pedal just like a clutch. When me see you, that's when me start lost. Baby girl, are you me want touch? Touch me girl and make me warm up. Your body it hot like a fire. Baby, wind to the right motion. Do it in a fast or in a slow motion. Just wind to the right motion. Your skin smooth and no cost a lotion. Hey, wind to the right motion. Do it in a fast or in a slow motion.
Gucci, you know? Blood clot. This remind me of my cousin named Poochie. I wonder where Poochie did to Bob Buckler. Poochie, if you ever run across this, link me a star. I used to have a cousin named Poochie, aka Daniel. One of my favorite female cousin that, you know, real gangster, you know? Yeah. Poochie. And sister Kimmy. Yeah. I have a big family, you know. Did you fart?
No.
Trouble. Yeah. There my bank here just reaching, you know. Lord, and them say wireless, you know. Lord, I want to tell you, we can just top pay for things. We go on the road. And then another bank link me. Me is already a member of them. I already fucking paper for that. They must say, they must offer me, they must tell me say my future bright. You see me? They must say your future is bright. So they must say if me open a savings account with them, you can get 10% for my money. Lord, you say open a 12-month HCCU shared certificate savings account with a deposit of up to $1,000 to earn 10% APY. So annual percentage yearly on your savings. Lord, better than Bank of America. Bank of America know that business, guys. Guess what? I am transferring money over to this. Yeah. I mean, no say them people are real, cause them been with me for quite some while. Means like a little paid in their ass. Lord, my company send me package. See it there. Yeah. The company love me, though. What? Sushi. You crave sushi? You know what they crave sushi? No, me I crave. Fuck. Sushi, if you go sushi at California Road, you know any good sushi to go?
The place in, I can take you somewhere else after that too.
You can take me there.
If you wanted to go.
You can take me, yeah, you can take me. Baby, you can take me there. You know that Sean Kingston there? We can go to the tropics. Shawty, I will take you there. No, I will take you. Just stop your feet, cover that Google it, man. But we're on the Park Government Road right now. You don't stop, man. Because look. You know what they put on my finger. So I'm not trying to touch.
Booty juice.
Who know. Who understand. What they put on my finger. Well, majority of people probably don't even fucking know. Who know. Yeah, who know. Yeah, that they put on my finger. Who know. Yeah. Majority of people won't know. They think my hand just dirty and dry. And like, ew, than the British. Nasty. Oh my God. But you don't know. These are working and these are
So
active. That's why I look like this. And that's why that's why I stick and gummy. Who no. Who don't know just don't know. And that's just how things go. Because not everything you can know.
Oh, hey.
My big brightness the knob, yeah. I'm trying to hit like the knob, yeah. I'm trying to hit like the knob. Bad bitches, Bentley coupes, rolling homies. Silk shirt, Versace, supposed to on me.
It's a beautiful day. Hey girl Lola, you don't move your bumper ass clap. Hey girl, move man. Think Lola easy. Yeah.
Come on.
Yo, run to the... Yeah. Right. Chop. I don't know why you're still friends with Becky though. Yeah, but yeah, man, me been telling you say so much better than Becky. You know what? Listen, you like give everybody a chance, all right? Fine, be like daddy then. Give everybody a chance and watch them mess themselves.
You're the dandelion. We want to make a wish. What does Ivy wish for?
Billions of dollars.
Billions of dollars.
But that's right. That's right. You see, you're the best, you know. That's what we know now.
For strong health. Yes, and protection. Yeah, abundance and guidance. And most importantly, money. Huh? Money. Blue.
Blow.
Go. Oh, you're
See mom's blow. Oh, shit, it all over. Oh. Yeah.
Yeah, may our wishes come true.
All over, you know. You're full of dandies.
Eyebrows.
Hey.
You're giving mean brows.
You give mean brows and you ask to feed yourself. Whoop, whoop, whoop. You're vexed. Vexed. Oh, life must be so tough for you.
Mind to the right motion. Your skin smooth and no cost a lotion. You know you really got the grip. You know you really got the grip. You really got the grip. You know you got the grip. And you know you're not gonna make me slip. Wind to the side, wind to the middle. Me not tell a lie, yo, you fit like fiddle. You have the perfect body for the bicycle. And when you are set, drop me icicle. Wind to the right motion. Do it in a fast or in a slow motion. Wind to the right motion. Your skin smooth and no cost a lotion.
Yeah. Check it out, check it out. At my brethren restaurant, you know. Enjoy some nice oxtail rice and peas and plantain. Have my daughter with me, you know. Yeah. Watch your face, watch your face. Yeah. Yeah. Face. You see camera face. Yeah. Yeah. Check it out over there now. Yeah. Real Jamaican vibes, you see me? Yeah, this is another little plaza. We sell Jamaican food. This is a Jamaican restaurant with a Jamaican vibes. You see what I'm saying? Yeah. Yes. It's like a Jamaica, you know? Me out my fire. Because I light it. Yeah. Yeah, that was a nice little Jamaican vibes right there. See what I'm saying? See what I'm saying? Bona one spliff. Sip of Baba Roots. This is an Italian vibe right here. Oh, that's right. Drama queen. Was it Italian, Spanish? Yeah. Touchy place, you know. Get on the roots. That one have for me the home. Yeah. Yeah, that one there is a baba too, you know. Oh, knows. Yeah. Performance, me bring thorn and a rose. Yeah.